Okay, we're going to give this one more try. We're going to see if we can get a picture of a puppy doing his first crawl. Or first walk, I mean. Let's see. This is Gobi that we're watching right now. Look at this. Oh, there he goes. Is that a good walk or what? He's doing good. Yay.
All the way to his mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, I got orange yogurt. I got orange yogurt.
Thank
Mommy.
you for riding
Yeah.
Animal Skincing Contest.
Look at this one, flip-flopping around. They're cute and adorable. They're like little baby toddlers, kind of scooting and then walking and then scooting and falling over. It's so adorable. Look at this, look at him go. Look at those feet behind him.
Cookie just left the area. Now
Cookie
have a
has left the building.